Hello friends, today I am going to give you a brief description of SoundKing SK25000 amplifier. The amplifier weighs 4.7 kgs. It's a 2-channel amplifier. Its power output is 90 watt plus 90 watt for two 8 ohm speakers. The transformer used is 30 volt 0 30 volt 6 amperes. It has four MOSFET transistors, namely two TTA 5200 and two TTC 1943 transistors. The front panel consists of a power switch which when put on will make the LED light glow, which is next to the power switch. Just below the LED light are two switches, one for loudness and another one for classic. The loudness switch will give you high bass at low volume, and the classic switch will give you high treble at low volume. The next one is master volume knob for adjusting the volume of amplifier. Next in line are the array of three knobs for balance, bass and treble. Just above these knobs are two mic slots, namely mic 1 and mic 2. We can use wired or wireless mic in these slots. Next to the treble knob are two switches. One is mic on off switch and the other one is CD TV switch. When mic on off switch is turned on, the mic will work, and as this is a karaoke system, the mic will work with all inputs like Bluetooth, USB, FM, aux, SD, CD or TV. When CD TV switch is pressed in, the RCA slot in the rear panel will be activated, and when we press the switch out, it will activate the USB, FM, aux of the digital player. Next are the two knobs, one meant for mic volume where we can adjust the volume for mic slots. The other knob is meant for echo control where we can adjust the echo level of the microphone. The slots at the end is headphone slot for headphones, or it can be used as output option also. In this the bass and treble will work. The front panel also has a digital player module which can switch on USB drive, SD card, aux or Bluetooth. The USB slot can read up to 32 GB pen drive. In the aux slot, a 3.5 mm jack can be inserted to connect it to mobile or laptop or TV. The TF slot can read up to 32 GB memory card. On the left hand side of the rear panel is the TV in and CD in slot. It's a kind of two inputs in the form of RCA ports. Next to it is the FM aerial. To operate this, open the wire and place it in some direction where you feel the signal is good. On the right hand side is a 2-channel speaker connection slots which take in two woofers or speakers of 10 or 12 inches of 4 or 8 ohms. Just above the speaker connection slots are the three fuses, two black and one red. The black ones are speaker fuses of 3 amps for each channel. If any short in the speaker is there, the fuse will blow off. The red fuse is meant for mains supply. It has a rating of 1 ampere. If the main LED light is not glowing, it means that fuse is to be replaced. So friends, that was the overview of this amplifier. This amplifier can be purchased online on Amazon.in.